Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone K12s with diamond texture design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.2% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, and 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel 22mm depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 23mm centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.5, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz single-core Cortex-A720s plus 2.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720s plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A520s, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB. 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.21 by 76.13 by 8.45 mm, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options, prism black, rose purple, starlight white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80-watt wired super flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, 5,700 square millimeters super large vapor chamber cooling system support, IP65 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and multifunctional NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO K12s 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 128GB. Storage variant at 1,199 Chinese yuan, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan. While 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,599 Chinese yuan, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO K12s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.